Hey guys, welcome back to Thread and Glue Designs. Today I'm working on the acrylic portion of the Crafty Crandall challenge. Unfortunately, the first half of this recording said it was corrupted, so I wasn't able to show you the entire process. This was a long process. I redid this picture probably 3 times. I was not happy with the skin tone, and by the end of it, I think I lost part of the face shape from it, but I was not redoing it again. I'd already done it all and was not about to restart. But the surface I'm working on is a piece of watercolor paper, and I am also using Liquitex Basics colors for this. And so you'll see me on the side of this where I am actually mixing the colors. And the first time I did it, I ended up with it sort of a gray tone, which was not what I wanted. I wanted more of a peachy skin tone. And so I keep trying. But after losing my editing twice of doing this video on a new editing software, this is what we're ending up with. I hope you guys are okay with that. I am learning this new software, and wow, I am not a computer guru by any means. But we're getting there, and you'll see where I'm changing up the shades of the face in different areas as we go. I hope you guys are having a great week and getting lots done in your crafty worlds. And I would love to see pictures of your creations on my Facebook page, and that's Thread and Glue Designs. I will have a link to that in the description bar below, as well as my other social media links and Etsy store. So yeah, I hope you guys will join me in those. And so for now, I will just let you listen to hopefully some music if I can find it on this software. Thanks, guys.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.